So here we have the Ford Transit Custom Crew Cab on a 71 plate. It starts off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As you can see, the whole of the back of the van is ply lined. We have reversing sensors as well, and that full metal bulkhead. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. The fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge is in the middle at the bottom. And then within that trip computer, you can see the total miles of the van, which are 12,078. We have a digital readout for the speedometer shown there as well. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel just here. Beneath that, we have phone and stereo controls. Stereo controls continue on the left, with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Then the main stereo screen itself is over in the center. So you can pair your phone by hitting add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
And then just follow the instructions on screen from there. If we go back to the main menu, this is where you access your music. We have AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly. This vehicle also has two separate USB inputs. Plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. Below that, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in, and the temperature, of course, on this dial just here. When you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on at the minute, so off or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. You can turn that off whenever you wish to. We have a heated front screen, heated mirrors, heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side just there. We have a 12-volt charging socket next to one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned before, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to see the van in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.